How to fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as WhatsApp will not function properly or function at all without internet. You can also enable airplane mode and refresh your network. Next, you can try to simply force close WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and then swipe up on your screen and then swipe up again and close WhatsApp completely along with all the apps running in the background and then reopen after 10 seconds. Next, open WhatsApp and see if your issue is fixed. If not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart can help you in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and then make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. Next, open Settings and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 GB free, as WhatsApp needs free space in order to function. You can then try to delete old videos, large files, unused apps if you do not have enough storage space. Now, in iPhone Storage tab itself, scroll down and navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application and will fix the bugs in the app. See if that helps, and if not, then if you are connected to any type of VPN or private DNS, then simply go ahead and disable it for the time being, as VPNs often block WhatsApp servers. Now, in settings again, scroll down and tap on general and then on date and time. Here, make sure the set automatically toggle button is enabled, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for set automatically, as wrong time uses WhatsApp and won't load WhatsApp. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then you can try to restore WhatsApp from backup. So simply uninstall WhatsApp on your iPhone and then restart your iPhone and then reinstall WhatsApp, and then go ahead and verify your number and restore the latest backup. See if that helps, and if not, then it could be that the WhatsApp server status is down, so you might need to wait for 1 to 2 hours and try again. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp stuck unloading screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.